Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a popular and secure mobile wallet that allows you to manage many different digital assets. While buying is straightforward, selling often requires a few extra steps. We'll cover the essential methods to help you navigate these transactions smoothly and securely, ensuring you understand the process from start to finish. To buy crypto, simply open your Trust Wallet and select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. You'll see a buy option. Tap it. Trust Wallet partners with various third-party providers, so you'll choose one and your payment method, like a credit card or bank transfer. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction, and your new assets will be deposited directly into your wallet. Selling crypto from Trust Wallet involves a slightly different approach, as the wallet itself doesn't directly support fiat withdrawals. Your best method is to transfer your cryptocurrency to a centralized exchange that does support fiat off-ramps. Once your assets are on the exchange, you can sell them for your local currency and then initiate a withdrawal to your bank account. Always check exchange fees. When buying or selling, always double-check every detail before confirming any transaction to avoid errors. Be aware of network fees, which can vary, and consider potential fluctuations in exchange rates. For more information and to explore other deals, including how to stay refreshed, check the description below for links. Understanding these aspects ensures a smoother and more secure experience with your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.